Hi, welcome to the Just Tech Me at our programming tutorial series. This video will provide you with an overview of vectors. If you enjoy it, please like and subscribe. We will cover a few topics. First will be how to create a vector. Next, we will cover the various ways to create a vector by sequencing. We will also create a vector by combining multiple elements. We will do this with the C function. Each of the elements will be cast into its own string. Finally, we will demonstrate how to sort a vector. Vector objects can be of different types. They can be of type character, type double, or integer type. Vectors that hold Boolean values are considered logical type. The syntax for some very basic examples can be seen here. To sort a vector, simply use the sort method. In our example, we first combine the elements using the C method, but that is not always necessary. You can sort the integers without first applying the C method. Oftentimes you want to create a vector containing a sequence of numbers or include multiple items of character type. The next group of examples will demonstrate how to achieve the desired vector. We will create a vector containing a series of integers with a specified start and end that is in integer format. We will create a vector containing a series of decimals with a specified start and end that is in decimal format. Note that unless specified, incrementation defaults to 1. So when we create a vector series that runs from 3.8 to 11.4, the resulting vector will not include 11.4. The series will be created beginning at the starting decimal number up until the last number in a rational series that contains 0.8 as its decimal portion. We will create a vector that will not only contain a series of integers with a specified start and end but also specify the method of incrementation. We do this by using the sequence function. Finally, we will use the C function to combine multiple items into a vector. We can refer to each item of the by using its index. When we do this, number and logical items are converted into characters. We will create a vector containing a series of integers with a specified start and end integer. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated. This YouTube channel offers various other programming videos and tech-related content. Please feel free to browse the channel. You can also visit the website posted here for additional tech content.